YouTubers, CarJunkeez in the house again. This one's part 3 of the transit project. So last one was where they ripped the engine out. The engine's just there, and I've just popped the front grille back on and had a bit of a measure up, and just going to start chopping out all this inner wing and all the bits and that. It has had a bit of a leg welded on in the past there, which I've discovered, they've done a good job of it, but I'm just going to go over it again, make sure it's right. So yeah, I'm going to get into that, I think. Won't be needing that. So looks like someone's just welded an old inner wing and an old leg over the top of the rest of the other inner wing. So I'm going to chop all that out, chop this section out because just the top of the leg's there corroded, so I want to examine the full leg. And there's a bit of patchwork down at the back there, which I'm going to redo and have a look underneath. Make sure the leg's on proper, tidy all this crap up here. I think I'm going to take the gearbox out next, so it's easier to get at that bit of a plate on the chassis leg. Should come out dead easy, that. It's just down there, that plate, so it'll make it well easier. It's got to come out anyway. So I'll whip that out now, I think. Should just fall out this in a minute. She's out. On the gearbox. Yeah. Just that little bit there. Chop that off and redo it just to make sure it's alright. Nice one. So I think I'm going to get the seats out now and that bit of rubber matting in the front. So what I'll get down there, because that's where the leg is at the top, and they've got a weld and that. So I'll get all the rubbers out after I've got these seats out, I think. Yeah, it's just a pot rivet job. So get that off, rip all the sound deadening out, strip it all. They don't look that bad though. I mean, a bit of rust there, but I don't think it's gone right through. So yeah, I'll get it all down to the metal and see what it's like. It's actually screwed in. Self-tappers. Hey! Definitely be chopping all that out and sorting that out. Proper cover-up job, that one. So I'll chop all this out, even that bit right up to there, and just replate the whole lot. That looks a bit thin, so I might just chop all that out and plate that as well while I'm at it. But they're rare as well. Old school. I'll start chopping now, get the grinder out. So I've had a bit of a chopping sesh. So I've got to chop some more out, but it's getting there, all the bad stuff's nearly out. A bit more to take out there on that outrigger and around the inner wing. Started chopping on that side as well, took a bit out there. But yeah, I'll just rebuild that in a bit and the outer bit of that chassis leg as well while I'm at it. I can get at it really well now. So yeah, may as well chop it all out, all bad stuff, and start again. Got a bit of a scrape and a sweep out, and most of it seems quite solid, which I'm quite chuffed about. So it's pretty much just around them areas. I'm going to rip all the dashboard out as well, but the bulkhead part of it is quite solid. You can see it under the bonnet. So it's just these bits really, so I'm quite chuffed with that, and that's pretty much all the welding on the whole vehicle, and the inner wing as well, and a bit underneath the front of the wing where the bowls are, back of the bowls for the headlights. So yeah, happy days. So that's pretty much it for this one, just a short one, just to let you know I'm getting on with the bits of chopping up and that. So thanks for watching, check out my other videos and that, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.